Today, I'll be showing you how to install one of the greatest fighting games called Tekken 6 on Android using the PPSSPP emulator and the best settings to utilize to get the best graphics and performance. Now, in order for you to get this done, you are going to be needing two apps. The first app you are going to be needing is called PPSSPP Emulator. Now, you can either download the normal version or the gold version. Then the second app you are going to be needing is called ZArchiver. Once you've downloaded and installed these two apps on your Android device, then the first thing you need to do is to open your emulator for the first time. Now, once you open your emulator for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Simply just click on OK, and then it's going to take you to your directory. Now, once you get here, just choose any folder that is going to utilize. As for me, I like using my document folder, so I'm going to click on document. I'll click on use this folder. I'll click on allow. Then all I have to do is just click on OK, and it's going to take me to my PSP interface. Now you can see that there's no game for me to play in here. That's because I've not actually installed any game in my emulator. Now let me show you how to install games on your emulator. To do this, you need to open your ZArchiver app. Once you open your ZArchiver app, just locate any of your PSP games. So my PSP games are inside my download section, so I'll go in here and you see download. You can see I'm having one game in here. So now you have to extract the game file, because you obviously cannot use a 7Z file or a zip file for your PPSSPP emulator. So to extract the game file, all you have to do, just tap it once and click extract here, and it's going to start extracting the game ISO file. Now you can see it's done extracting the ISO file. So next thing we have to do is to move this ISO file into the PSP folder. If you remember, the PSP folder is inside my document folder. So to do this, hold down on the ISO file, click on cut, go back to your main directory, locate your PSP folder. Mine is in the document section, so we'll go to document, PSP, game, and then we'll paste it in the game section. So now let's reopen our PSP emulator. You can see that the game is still not here. That's because the emulator do not even know where I'm keeping this game right now. So I have to show it where I'm keeping it. To show it where I'm keeping my games, all I have to do is click on this browse icon that you can see at the top. Once you click on the browse icon, it's going to take you to your directory once again. So let me do it from the beginning. Document, PSP. If you remember, I kept it in the game folder. So I'll click on game. You can see it in here. Then I'll click on use this folder. Then I'll click on allow. Now you can see that the game is here and the game is ready to play. Now you are going to be needing some settings that is going to give you best performance and best gameplay and best FPS when you are playing this game on your Android device. Now I already have a dedicated video for that, so I'm going to suggest that video at the end of this video. So just stick to the end so you'll be able to access that video to get the correct settings to use to get best performance for your PPSSPP emulator. Now let's play this game and see how it goes.
Round one. Fight. You win. Kazuya Mishima. Get ready for the next match. Omae ka. Round one. Fight. You win.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.